Very important down here in Waikīkī at Hula, which is at the Royal Hawaiian Center, and he is like the cultural consultant there. And I would love to call Manu Boyd up to sing a song for all of you this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Manu Boyd.
Hi, Manu.
Please sing us a song.
Oh, aloha kako.
Aloha.
Song written for Kuhio Beach, the home of Prince Kalaniana Ole, Jonah Kuhio. Beloved is Waikīkī and the whispering sea and the fragrant lipoa, seaweed, and kaimanahila. Hey aloha iano, a o Waikīkī ea, kane o ke kai, havana. Hey aloha iano, a o Waikīkī ea, kane o ke kai, havana. The wind blows, bringing the fragrance of people. Maiho, kamakai, lave mai ea, ke ala ona o kalipoa. Turn and see Diamond Head.
Okay, Hula.
Hula kunana, ya kai manda hila ea, ike ikanani, a o Honolulu.
Your name is unique for all newcomers to the island. Famous around the world.
That was a great tag team.
Hey!
Haina. Haina iamai, anakapua maea, he aloha iano, a o Waikīkī.
Haina ho!
Haina iamai, anakapua maea, he aloha iano, a o Waikīkī. Mahalo anui, halori lahana.
Ladies and gentlemen, Manu!
Lahana nakalani.
He would love to also do a hula for you before the sun goes completely down.